This is where the magic happens. Every piece of wood tells a story. Now we just need to make a clean cut right along this line.
I'll hold it steady while you make the cut. Are you ready for the cut? Perfect alignment.
It looks very clean.
Are you ready to apply the glue?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Welcome back to the shop. Today, we are focusing on precision. Even a millimeter can ruin a project. So let us make sure our tools are dialed in. I think we should follow this natural grain right here.
It really highlights the wood's character.
I agree.
But we need to be careful. Let's see how much we can
do. Make sure it covers the edges.
I'll help you line it up.
Hold it right there.
Just grab the big clamps.
Let's tighten this side first.
Copy that. Applying pressure now.
Looks like we have a perfect fit.
This is where the hard work pays off.
This needs to sit for at least an hour.
I think you're right about that. Are you sure it's perfectly square?
Absolutely, I checked it twice. This walnut is turning out beautifully. Just a little more on this edge. Do you think this shelf is ready for the finish?
Yeah, it looks incredibly smooth.
Let's apply that.
Let's apply that beeswax and linseed oil then. Great, let's see how it looks on this walnut. I can't believe we actually finished it.
The walnut grain looks absolutely beautiful after that last coat of oil.
It really does. It was worth every hour.